So hey guys, this is your best Suresh Airwat. Today I am going to discuss about one and another most important topic, which is our generation. Yes, I'm talking about the our generation because now we are in 21st century, and if I'm talking about ourselves, not talking about those people who has created their own empire. I'm talking about this generation, and this generation is doing really good, awesome, but somehow who has not a really good proper knowledge, not they are not aware about those things, those principles which had in those people they had. So what the principle we don't have, it's patience. And we are just patienceless, we are just impatient because you know what, if we are watching someone in videos, in somewhere, anywhere, so we are just comparing our life, exactly our life, with that particular person. Whatever he has created, that fortune, it would be a really nice house, mansion, really sports car, whatever the life, the we can say a lavish life, if he is living on his life, on his purpose. So we are just exactly, when we see them, we are just comparing ourselves to with them person. Why we do that? Because, and then we think I can also do the same thing what he has done. I also want those things which he had, which he have, which they have. So you know what, we don't actually see the hard work with the smart work in those people which had aroused in their past life. We don't see because we don't want to see. Exactly, this is the fact is that we don't want to see. Why? Because we are just looking at that particular in a good way, good direction, where is a lavish life, not that we don't look at that particular thing, that where is a really bad, really hard work, what they had done. So why? It's all about the patience. We don't have patience. If you're learning something, if you're doing something, then definitely, yeah, you cannot achieve all the thing in a one day, in a 2 day. It takes time. Definitely it takes time, because I have met a lot of people. They have created, they have earned a lot of things. Someone had created their firm, someone had created their business, and all these things. And if we meet those people who has already created their empire from whatever it is, so you know what, we are also just thinking about in our mind that we just want, or we also don't, we also want to do that, the same thing. We also want this money, lavish life, just kind of them, because we don't instantly, we don't see that thing which he or she had struggle. Exactly, struggle. Why are you just comparing yourself? See, look at yourself. Don't think about, because when in your childhood, when you were learning about, when you were learning in bicycle, so that time it was taking time, lot of time. You hadn't learned in a 1 week, 2 week, and 1 year. It took time. Definitely, somehow there was a time which had taken around 1 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years almost. I'm talking about those people who are just starting and who just felt right now that, although they were working over there, like before the pandemic condition, they were working somewhere, and that time they were working, and now they are not doing very well. Somehow they have lost their job, and somehow they are not going good because the pandemic condition was there, and condition had come in India. So now, what I mean, and those people, what about those people who had created their own firm, own company, own business? they are working from work from home, they are created, and those IT companies. So it's what about it, if you want something, so definitely pain would be there. If you want something, pain would be there, because without pain you cannot gain anything. And we just today's youth just want each and everything without paining and without feeling any pain. It's all about patience. Take patience, take time, because good things take times. Without take times, it cannot be possible, because that is okay. Don't compare yourself with that past time, because that time I haven't done anything, but right now if I'm doing something, so it is taking time, because while I'm watching someone other else, they are doing very well, and what about me? I have done nothing. So what? Why are you looking? Just don't stop to looking those people who has just already created their own entire empire, their entire fortune. Just don't try to look at that. Just express your feel yourself, and take your time. Take your times, definitely. That if you will take your times, so good things takes time. Good things take time. After some times, definitely everything would be good. And thank you so much.